Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. Myself Amarendra Mishra. My subject is Industrial Engineering and Management. I am continuing with the chapter 1 Plant Engineering, and my content for this video class is Schedule Maintenance. Schedule maintenance is a stitch-in-time procedure aimed at avoiding breakdowns. Stitch-in-time means for every machineries they are requiring the repairment should be properly maintained, should be properly lubricated. Their service life are also mentioned according to their manual. Before the production system is to be carried out inside the factory, we have to maintain all these machineries should be in good working condition such that during assigning of any processing of raw material that can be accomplished by the machineries. In this maintenance work, the supervisor, experts, these are making the inspection of each machine centers, all the machines. According to the expert of machineries, the expert will also comes to each department. The inspection may be in a month, maybe in a half year month, maybe along a annual month. The main function of this schedule maintenance is that it should reduce the breakdown, because breakdowns are dangerous to the operators or workers working within the working station, and as far as possible it should be minimized. The schedule maintenance practice incorporates like inspection, lubrication, repair, overhaul of certain equipment. If neglected, can result in breakdown. Inspection means the act of checking all the machineries whether they are in a good working condition or not while you are assigning any job on the machine. Next one is lubrication. Lubrication means the machinery parts should be well greased, the cleaning process should be done after the machining operation is finished. The coolant should be provided while you are utilizing the machines for the processing of raw material upon the machine. Like while you are going to use the feeding of cutting tool upon the job, that should be coolant should be provided, so that will reduce the frictional effect as well as the excessive heat and erosion of the cutting tool. Repair. If something the breakdown occurs, like motor does not start, so you have to give a proper time for that, proper time within which we have to make the sufficient repair of motor. Then also belt drives are also used. The belt should be well properly gripped upon the pulleys. Overhaul. Overhaul means if the total machinery is found default or find defect in making its capacity of machining operation and it is not utilized up to its capacity, during that time we have to again make the disassemble of all the parts of the machineries, and also the make a grouting for the machineries. We have to make the again the foundation for the machineries. We have to make all the parts, whether there is a wear out part, whether the parts can be replaced, new one should be replaced. So the machine, all the parts will be make into the proper condition, and again all the parts of machinery is assembled and that can be installed on the area we are going to make the foundation. And If the overhauling of machineries will not be done, then the production system may be hampered. Inspection, lubrication, servicing, etc. of those equipment are included in predetermined schedule. The lubrication is done in daily basis. Inspection means for every machine there is a service period, there is a machining operation, there is a lifetime. So there is a manual is provided for each machinery. According to the manual, we have to make a proper time at which time we are going to make the available for the machineries. We should remember that. Lubrication is daily basis. Servicing, that is we are going to use nut and bolts, washers, also some of the materials like coolants, lubricants, belt drives, gear drives. All this should be in well manner so that it should not make any breakdown. And we know that you have to know all the life period time of each machinery's equipments. The scheduled maintenance practice is generally followed for overhauling the machineries. Like also in our industry, you are going to use water supply to every household employees. So we have to make cleaning of water supply tanks, whitewashing of buildings. All these are known as your scheduled maintenance. Thank you all of you.